Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a advanced restaurant builder script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which you are going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. The script will cost you $60. You just need to click over here and purchase the script. After downloading it, we have to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now open the file. First, we need to install the SQL of the script. For that, just double click on the SQL file, open your head SQL, select your server, then click on run. After that, open the install folder. Now open the items folder. So I'll be installing it for QBinventory. So just double click on the QBinventory.lua file. Then copy all these items from here. Then go to QBCore, shared, items.lua. Now come to the very bottom line of the code, then paste it over here. Just like this. Now press Ctrl Save. After installing that, open the sample ingredient icon folder. Then copy all these images from here, then paste into your QBinventory. For that, open the QBinventory folder, HTML, images, then paste these images over here. Just like this. Now open the config folder, then main.lua. So this is the configuration of the script over here. As you can see, in the framework section I'll be keeping it on auto, and for the banking system I'll be changing it to QB banking. The inventory is going to be auto. So this is the command to open the options for restaurant builder. So I'll be keeping it default for now. Over here, these are the config delivery icons. If you want, you can add your own locations over here. And these are the configurations for the ingredients. As you can see, there are much more configurations over here. You can configure them according to your preference. So I'll be keeping it default for now. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and for this video we are going to configure this cafe which is over here. So to open the restaurant builder, we just need to type /restaurant builder. So this is the menu of the restaurant builder over here. As you can see, so you can find pre-configured restaurants over here, and you can see them in the map as well. As you can see, so to create a new restaurant, we just need to press on this new button. After that, here we need to give the unique ID. So I'll be giving it a name of Sun Cafe, and here we need to give the label. Now here we need to select the job. So I have already created a job for the Sun Cafe over here. After selecting it, we just do click on create. The cafe has been registered over here. Now let's edit the cafe. Over here, this is the label and the job name of the cafe. Here you can add your cafe's logo and the items menu over here. So I'll be keeping them default for now, and there are much more configurations you can configure from here. Now let's configure the blip over here. You can find varieties of blips by clicking over here. It will redirect to you this website which is over here. So for this video, I'll be selecting this one. So this is the website for color. From here you can scale the size of the blip. So I'll be keeping it default for now. And for the coordinate, you just need to directly click over here, and it will automatically copy your coords over here. As you can see, after selecting everything, we just need to click on save changes. As you can see, the blip has been added over here. So in this option, you will get the list of all the employees working under the cafe, and in the zone section, you have to create a polyzone of the cafe by clicking over here. After that, you will get this type of UI. You just need to select the areas which you need to cover. So I'll be selecting these areas. After selecting all the zones, we just need to press enter. So the zone has been created now. Now in the point section, we can add all the systems for our cafe like station, stash, tray, menu, music and everything. So now let's create some chairs for our cafe. After selecting the chair, we just need to press E. So our first chair has been created now. Let's create a third chair over here. So if you go near to the chair, you will get the option to sit down. As you can see, there are much more things which you can create. like station, preparation table, stash and much more. And this is the delivery points over here. As you can see, you can configure it according to your preference. These are the main configuration of the system, as you can see, and these are the logs over here. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.